This is the first topic of Chapter 8, the usage of mirrors. An image is the exact picture of an object, and it is formed when light from the object is reflected or refracted by an optical device, or when light propagates through other optical devices. Cameras, mirrors, lenses, or microscopes are the examples of optical devices that used to capture or produce an image. There are two types of images. The first type of images is the real image. Real image is the image that can be seen or formed on the screen. The second type of images is the virtual image. Virtual image is the image that cannot be seen or formed on the screen. These two types of images will be detailed in the following part of the video. Both the real and virtual image can be seen by our eye, because light rays from the object are reflected or refracted into our eye. Now, let's first talk about the real image. A real image is an image that can be seen or captured on the screen. Example of formation of the real image is as follows. A real image is produced when a slide is projected and shown on the screen by using a projector. The light rays from a burning candle enter into a dark box through a pinhole, will forming a real image on the screen. The image formed on the screen is real and inverted. This is about the virtual image. A virtual image is an image that can be seen, but cannot be captured on the screen. Example of the formation of the virtual image. When you stand in front of a mirror, your image is seen behind the mirror, but not on the surface on the mirror. The virtual image can be formed by three types of mirror. The first type of the mirrors is plane mirror. The second type of the mirrors is concave mirror. The third type of the mirrors is convex mirror. These three types of mirror will be detailed in the coming part of the lesson. Now, we discussed the characteristic of image formed by a plane mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. When light ray hit the surface of a mirror, they reflected back by the mirror. These phenomena are known as the reflection of light. How the light ray reflected back from the mirror surface will determine the formation of the virtual image. The way of light ray are reflected depends on the types of, and there are three types of mirror. The first type of the mirrors is plane mirror. The second type of the mirrors is concave mirror. The third type of the mirrors is convex mirror. These three types of mirror will be discussed in the next part of the lesson. The first type of mirrors is plane mirror. The following are the characteristic of the plane mirror. Plane mirror is flat in shape. About the reflection of light. The parallel light rays are reflected in parallel. About the size of image. The image formed is same size as the object. About the application, the plane mirror is used to check appearance. Plane mirror is placed in a shop, make the shop look more spacious. Plane mirror is placed in the dancing studio, to help to correct their movement. The second type of mirrors is concave mirror. The following are the characteristic of a concave mirror. About the shape of a concave mirror. It bends inwards. About the reflection of light. Parallel light rays are reflected in inwards, and converge. About the size of image formed, image is larger than the size of the object. For the application, concave mirror is used by dentist to check patient's teeth. Concave mirror is used in microscope to reflect and focus light onto the object. The third type of mirrors is convex mirror. The following are the characteristic of a convex mirror. About the shape of a convex mirror. It bends outwards. Parallel light rays are reflected outwards and diverge. About the size of the image. The image is smaller than the size of the object. About the application, convex mirror is used as the side mirror of the car. Convex mirror is used as security mirror in store. Convex mirror is placed at blind corner of road. This topic is about the optical instruments that apply the concept of reflection of light. Optical instruments, such as periscope and kaleidoscope, have been invented, using the concept of reflection of light to enhance the ability of human sense. This is about the periscope. Periscope is a long tube with two plane mirror that placed parallel to each other at an angle of 45 degrees. Periscope is used to see things that are out of sight, using the concept of reflection of light. About the operation of periscope. The first mirror reflects light rays from the object toward the second mirror. The second mirror reflects light from first mirror to the eye of the observer. For application of periscope. Periscope is used in the double-decker bus to help the driver to see the passenger on the upper deck. Periscope is used on the battlefield by the army to observe the movement of enemy. Periscope is used in submarine to see the surface of the sea. About the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is a cylindrical shaped tube that can create various amazing patterns. For purpose, it is a tool for the artist, and also it is a child's toy. 2 or more reflecting surfaces, tilted to each other, in an angle, so that, one or more objects, on one end of the mirrors, has a regular symmetrical pattern. When viewed from the other end, due to the repeated reflection. This is all the content of Topic 1, the usage of mirrors. Now, we will start the explanation of Topic 2, properties of light. Light is a bright ray, emitted from the light source, that allows us to see in the dark. The light source is the object that emits light. Sun is the main light source for Earth. Burning objects, electric lamps, are the other light source. We can see the objects around us because light reflected or emitted from the objects and enters into our eyes. The following are the 8 main properties of light. The first property of light is the light travel in a straight line. The second property of light is shadow is formed when the light is blocked. Property, the light travel with high speed at 3 multiplied with 10 power of 8 meter per second in the vacuum. The fourth property, light can be reflected when the light is directed onto the surface of the mirror. The fifth property, the light can be refracted when the light passes through two medium of different densities. The sixth property, the light can be dispersed when light travel through the prism glass. The seventh property, the light can be deflected from their original paths to all directions by clouds, air particles, or gas. This is the scattering of light. The eighth property is, light can be added and subtracted. This is the 8 properties of light. Now, let's detail the topic 3, reflection of light. Reflection of light is the phenomena occur when beam, directed onto the surface of a plane mirror, and bounces off the plane mirror. Reflection of light from the plane mirror results in the formation of virtual image. The following are the characteristics of the image formed on the plane mirror. The first is virtual. A virtual image is formed at behind the mirror screen. The virtual image formed is upright as per the object. The virtual image formed is laterally inverted from the object. The virtual image formed is same size as the object. The distance of the object to mirror surface equal to the distance of image to mirror surface. This is the 5 characteristics of the image formed on the plane mirror. A ray diagram is a diagram that traces the path that light takes in order for a person to view a point on the image of an object. A ray diagram is drawn, based on the law of reflection of light, and used to determine the position and characteristics of the image formed. The law of reflection of light is the law that describes the reflection phenomena of light. The law of reflection of light states that three elements, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface of the mirror, all lie in the same plane. Incident ray is the ray of light that strike on the plane mirror. Reflected ray is the ray of light that is reflected from plane mirror. Normal is the line perpendicular to the surface of the plane mirror at the point where the incident ray strikes the mirror. This is the line drawn at 90 degrees from the plane mirror. The second statement of the law is the angle of reflect R is equal to the angle of incidence, I, where the angle of reflection, R, is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal, and the angle of incidence, I, is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. This is about the law of reflection of light. The following are the applications of reflection of light. Workers at the construction site wear the life jackets that have light reflecting stripes, so that they can easily be seen by others. Emergency triangular reflector is used for vehicle breakdown, so that the vehicle can be seen on the road. Reflective stripes are used in signboards, so that they can be seen easily at night. This is the topic 3, reflection of light.